welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. So guys, I finally got my FabFitFun spring box and I'm here to share it with you guys. Now, this is the tiniest little FabFitFun box that I've ever seen. It's really cute, but it's very tiny. I am an annual member with FabFitFun, so I do get to pick everything that comes in my box. Some of the items that we could choose from, I either already had them from previous boxes or didn't want them, so you know, I have what I have. That's all I can tell you. But I'm going to get right into showing you what's in my box. If you're new to my channel, I do different subscription unboxings, as well as I am a purse lover, and if you enjoy those things, this may be the channel for you. But without further delay, guys, let's go ahead and get into what's in my spring box for FabFitFun. As you guys know, this is an annual box. It comes out summer, spring, fall, and winter. So you get 4 boxes for the whole year, and the box, I believe it's still $59.99, but things keep going up. I can't keep up with all the prices, but if the price is different, then I'll put that up on the screen for you guys now. So without further delay, let's open up my little cute box and see what's in here. I do like the fact they have all these little birthday cakes. This is FabFitFun's birthday box, so that's why they have all the little birthday cakes on here. So when you open the box, there's always some kind of material in here. They have a little scratch off on here this time. 10 years of FabFitFun. So I said it was their birthday. So here you go. And this is like a little scratch off here. You can play it and get a chance to win. There's always some HelloFresh stuff in here and whatever else they have in here that you can use for coupons. But without further delay, let's figure out what's in my box. So guys, the first item I'm going to pull out here is a set, and I ordered the lunchbox set, and that came with this baggie here. I think it's like a lunch pack that you could put your sandwich and stuff in, and I thought that would be really helpful. I am going into the office 1 day a week these days. So like you have something here to keep your like sandwich or food or store your food in, and you can literally reuse it, which I think is very good, leaves less of an imprint on the environment. And then the second thing I have with this bundle here is the lunchbox. So let me open that for you guys and show you what's in here. So guys, the lunchbox here is more like a bento box lunchbox. So this is made by the company Our Place, and this is what they call the lunchbox. So this is how it comes. It does have like a little strap on here to secure it in place, and you would just take it off on the sides here and then just remove the top. And inside you do get a little silverware, and then you can lift that up and you have your food underneath of here. Well, you know what an empty container looks like, but your food will go underneath your silverware here. And I actually like that because most of the time I pack my lunch and I always forget to bring silverware, and I'm like scouring the office if I'm in the office trying to figure out where I'm gonna get my silverware from. So I thought this would be helpful. I thought this is a nice little set. And guys, it's a different company that makes this other lunch baggie here, and this is called Hip Lunch Pack. And you can literally just kind of roll this up and close it up. So I thought this is pretty good for me going back to work, since I need to bring lunch when I go in the office, and I thought this would be useful for my life. So this is what the first thing is that I picked here for my FabFitFun box. So guys, the second item out of my box here, I'm gonna pull that out. I have a reed diffuser set that I chose, and this is made by, what is this? Maskey is the name of the company, and this is their DIY luxury diffuser kit. So it comes with the bottle, 2 fragrances, the diffuser base, as well as the reeds, and a stirring stick. So I'm going to show you guys what's in here. So here's the bottle. And I'm not familiar with this company, but I do like the reed diffusers. I like to keep these in the bathroom. So This one here is cashmere and vanilla, and this is the base that you use for the reed diffuser. So I guess you would just pour some in here and pour the other half in here, and then you would have the thing. But this is the second item that I chose because I like having these around, and I think they do a good job of, you know, small spaces, helping them smell really nice. So I chose this. And again, the fragrance that came in here is the cashmere and vanilla scent. So that should be smelling really good, but they got everything sealed up with plastic, so I'm not going to bother to open it because I'll probably make a mess out of it. So that's what it came with, and it looks like a stick or something is in here. I guess this is the stirring stick, so when you mix it together. And then there's a card in here with a little bit of information about the company. So that is my second item, guys. So I'm going to move right on to the next thing. Okay, guys, my next item out of my box, I did decide to go with some sunglasses. These are the Kate Spade sunglasses, and I'm going to show them to you. And that's what they look like in the plastic. Let's take them out of that so you guys can get a good look. And these have like the cat eye kind of look. I always love sunglasses because I either break them or lose them. So I thought I would choose these because they would get a lot of use. So this is what these glasses look like on me. I think they're really cute, and I love sunglasses. So, you know, I'm already getting ready for the spring. It's already, you know, staying more daylight outside. So I'll have everything I need on the road with my little cute sunglasses on. So this is what I chose. And what is the name of these sunglasses? They are, does it say on here what the brand is or what the name for this one is? It says Samantha. So I guess these are called Samantha, the name of these frames. But I thought this is cute. So we're all ready for the summertime and the springtime with our sunglasses. So that is the third item out of my box. So let's move on to the next item, guys. So guys, they also had the Glamnetic nails, and I do like these nails, and I think they look very natural looking. So I just chose like a really natural looking set with like sort of like an airbrushed out, I guess, the American manicure to some degree. But this one is called Creamer, is the name of these nails here. And this is one of the options that I selected out of the options that they had. So this is what I chose. So let's go on to the next thing out of my box. The next thing out my box, I have the new company, and this is their Super Thick, and this is supposed to be like a scalp serum to make your hair thicker. And I figure I could probably use that because, you know, getting a little older, your hair starts thinning in some places, especially around them edges. So I figure I would use this like around my edges and kind of thicken up my hair a bit in that spot. But this is the item I chose, and I've never used anything from them before. If you guys have tried this out, please hit me up in the comments and let me know how this worked out for you. But this will be the first time I'll be using this product, so I'm hoping that it works, and it does make your hair a lot thicker looking in appearance. So that would be great if it works. So let's go on to the next thing. So guys, I also picked up this set here, and this is for your feet. I have a file, and this is made by Barefoot. What is it? Barefoot Scientist. And it's just a regular file that you use to rub the dead skin off of your feet. And I mean, it's nothing really special. But I figured it would be useful out of the selections that they had. So I just decided to go with this. And then this is what it looks like outside of the plastic. You have like the fine side here and a bit of a rougher side on this side. So I thought this would be great for getting your feet ready for the summer. And this set also came with, what is this? Cuccio heel treatment. So you got a heel treatment cream in here as well to use on your feet once you kind of take some of the dead skin off and make them nice and soft. So I thought this would be perfect for me. So that's why I chose. So let's see what else is in my box. I think we're down to one thing. Yep. So the last thing, guys, that is in my box, I have a Fenty Beauty product, and I decided to pick the portable contour and concealer brush. I figured that will come in handy. This is the product here, and this is our brush. A nice, it's pretty dense too, so I think you can do well with the contour with this. Definitely not sure about the concealer, but I'll have to try it out to see if I like it for the concealer. But this is the last item that I chose. I also did do an add-on, guys, and I did one add-on, and that was for the commodity. This is their scent space set here, and this allows you, like, this is like a discovery set, and inside you got the material here, and they got the little names for each scent that's in here. So I came in contact with knowing about this brand when I went to Sephora, and I purchased the milk one. So the milk one, I already have a full-size bottle of this one, and I wanted to see what are the other scents that they make and what they smell like, because, you know, I'm a frag head. I love fragrance. I mean, I just love it. So I wanted to see what else they offer and if I would like anything out of this brand. So I picked up this sampler set here so that I could try out some of the other fragrances. So that's what I picked up as an add-on. So guys, in review, let's go through what's in my box here. We have some small things in this box. Let's just say my box is pretty small this time. For the spring box, my total box totaled $338.89 for the total box value. So in review, we have the Fenty Beauty Contour and what is this called? Yeah, Contour and Concealer Brush. We have the New Company. We have their Super Thick Hair Serum. We have the foot bundle with the Barefoot Scientist File and Caruccio Heel Treatment. We have the Glamnetic reusable nails here, and that's in the color Creamer. We have the Kate Spade glasses. This is Samantha with the cat eye kind of look. And we also have our Reed diffuser set here. So we have the Reed diffuser set. We have the lunchbox kit set with the bento box and a reusable lunch bag. And I think that's it, right? Yes, that is everything. So plus my add-on with the commodity fragrances sampler set. So in review, guys, I thought it was a pretty okay box. I mean, I guess the best thing out of the box for me are the sunglasses and the Reed diffuser set and probably the foot set, because as far as that's probably the best things out of the box. I didn't really like a lot of the choices, like I was kind of telling you guys as we started off, and I kind of felt like, you know, I had to choose something, so I just tried to pick out things that I thought I would get the most use out of. So that's basically what I did. But, you know, it's a hit or miss. Sometimes you get a lot of great options. Sometimes they're like, they're okay, nothing to blow you away. So I didn't feel blown away by the spring 2023 box. It was okay. It was okay for me. You guys, if you already subscribed to FabFitFun, please let me know what you picked up. Did you like the options, or was it just me that didn't really care for them too much? I just thought it was, you know. But guys, thank you for stopping by today and checking out my video. I do have some mystery bags that I will also be doing a video on, so keep your eye out for that. But guys, until my next video, you guys stay blessed and have an awesome day. And if you haven't,
check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.